15,000 somewhere, and then there was thousands, a few thousand here and a few thousand there. And a few thousand.
Hello everybody on my
And they're flying up
YouTube
and
channel.
flying.
Today, as my brother-in-law using one range, I'm gonna use another one. And today I'm gonna first try out my Colt. Already got it loaded. You're only supposed to put 5 bullets in there. If I put 6 in there, gun can accidentally go off. So you gotta put 5 bullets in the cylinder only, so it won't go off. Okay. I'll probably shoot it at 7 and see how that goes. I only shot it once. That's 5. 7. Whoop. No, it is. Bring it back. Oh well. I'm gonna have to sit down. See what I did. Alright, it's down to I think these sights might not be adjusted. I'm looking wrong. I'm not doing too good, but I got it in the area. Let me see if I can do better. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm going to try to use this one. My thumb